Detoxing your life. Today's day 13. Today we're talking about your sleep environment. So your bedroom is where your body heals and restores itself. But is your sleep environment truly helping you rest and recharge? So let's detox your space and get the ultimate sanctuary for deep healing. So sleep isn't just about getting enough hours, it's about the quality of those hours. Your sleep environment plays a massive role in your body's ability to heal, reset, and recharge. When your sleep space is cluttered, full of distractions, or filled with synthetic materials, it disrupts your energy and makes it harder to get the restorative sleep you need. Why detoxing your sleep environment matters? Well, healing and restoration. So, sleep is when your body repairs cells, balances hormones, and detoxifies itself. A poor sleep environment can interfere with this critical process. And there's energy and clarity. A clean, calming sleep space helps you wake up feeling refreshed, focused, and ready to take on the day. Emotional and energetic alignment. So your bedroom's energy impacts your mental and emotional state. A peaceful, toxin-free space encourages relaxation and emotional balance. So, how do you detox your environment for your sleep? Choose clean bedding. Opt for cotton or other natural fibers, which are breathable and free from harmful chemicals found in synthetic materials. Wash your sheets regularly and use non toxic, fragrance free detergents to avoid irritants. And I did that on another day on laundry. Then, dark and cool is best. So, use blackout curtains to block out any external light that could disrupt your sleep cycle. Keep your bedroom at a cool, comfortable temperature as your body sleeps best in a cooler environment. And then there's reduced blue light. Avoid using screens like your phone or TV at least an hour before bed, as blue light suppresses melatonin, the hormone that helps you sleep. So consider using a blue light filter on your devices or wearing blue light blocking glasses if screen time is unavoidable. And then incorporate some calming rituals. Create a bedtime routine that signals your body it's time to wind down. This could include reading, journaling, meditating, or sipping herbal tea. Diffuse calming essential oils like lavender or chamomile to create soothing atmosphere. And consider using a grounding mat. I love mine. If you often feel restless or have trouble sleeping, a grounding mat can help balance your body's energy and promote relaxation by connecting you to the earth's natural energy. And then declutter your space. So remove unnecessary items, especially anything work related or overstimulating, like electronics or cluttered furniture. A clean, minimalistic bedroom encourages a sense of calm. The energy behind your sleep space. So, your bedroom is your healing sanctuary, a place where your body and mind restore balance. When your sleep environment is clean, calm, and toxin free, you invite positive energy and healing into your life. By detoxing this space, you're setting the stage for deeper sleep and higher vibrational energy during your waking hours. Today, I challenge you to detox one part of your sleep environment. Maybe it's upgrading your bedding, decluttering your nightstand, or creating a calming bedtime ritual. Small changes can have a huge impact on your energy, mood, and overall health. Detoxing your sleep space isn't just about better rest, it's about creating a healing sanctuary that supports you and your mind every single night. What is the first thing you'll change in your sleep environment today?